Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to link your Activision account to an Xbox account. So if this does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually very easy to do. And the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your preferred browser, and then you just want to come across and log into your Activision account. So you can either Google Activision or you can just go across to activision.com. And then if you're not already, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your profile. So what you want to do is come to the top right hand corner and click the login button. And then you just want to enter your associated email and password. And then just click the box below to do the verification and click sign in. So once that's done, it's going to take you back to the home screen, which looks like this. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto profile, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And this is going to take you to your profile section. So from here, as I say, it's very easy to do. All you want to do is come to the options on the left hand side and click onto account linking. And you'll see at the moment I've actually got my Xbox account linked up. So you can see you can also link it to things like your PlayStation account, battle.net, Steam, Nintendo, etc, etc. And all you want to do is just find your the Xbox One down here. And what's going to happen, it will look slightly different to mine. You'll have a blue button saying link account. And once you click onto link account, it's going to ask you to enter your Xbox Live ID. And then you've got some options come up. So you can choose, for example, sign on visible, searchable, data visible. And this is all related to your Activision account. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. You just come across to your profile. You scroll down and link it this way. And that's going to link it to your Xbox account. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.